Hello Galactic family. Have you ever had one of those positive moments in your life that was interrupted by a negative thought? Or maybe your life is constantly obscured by these negative thoughts and their creation of anxiety, stress and low mood. If so, stay with me. I'll teach you a solution. Something that covers biology and psychology, something you may not have thought of, something that has helped hundreds of people dissipate negative thoughts. I'm going to teach you the one equation you can start using right now, to prevent those negative thoughts from suppressing your life. Stay with me, this can change your life forever. It's annoying to have a wonderful time ruined by a negative thought. You know when you are having fun and you are completely in the moment, not necessarily a life-changing moment, but just good positive vibes. Then this negative thought creeps into your mind and says, I will not let you have this moment. These negative thoughts are something I call positive emotion suppressors. Because they suppress many aspects of life, such as going out with friends. I will not let you have that moment. Spend the day with your son. I will not let you have this moment. Having a good day at work. I will not let you have that moment. Have a meal with your family. I will not let you have this moment. Your heart sinks and you have that adrenaline and suddenly you are no longer present in your moment. Instead, you are stuck in a spiral of negative thoughts. So I'm going to teach the equation to end this, and probably not what you're expecting. This information is as valuable as it is the bridge between you enjoy these moments and break free from suppressors of positive emotion. When you think about it, that's what life really is, being in the moment. When you are not in the moment and focusing on negative thoughts, you are not really living your life. This leaves you open to things like depression, anxiety and stress. First of all, find out where your negative thoughts come from. When I speak of negative thinking, it does not mean just something negative that pops into your head for a few seconds. I am talking about an uncontrollable obsessive negative thought that clouds everything and takes possession of the moment. This is created by two factors. It is not just about psychology, it is about biology as well. Let me explain. Factor 1: a negative hormonal harmony. This may seem complicated and scientific. So let's simplify. Imagine you have a bucket in your body. This bucket is for stress hormones. If this bucket overflows, it begins to affect your body and your mind. This makes you more likely to be obsessed with negative thoughts and makes it harder to feel positive emotions. Factor 2: negative automatic thinking response. That is when a negative thought pops up in your head and your automatic response is not being able to rationalize it. This means that thinking remains and continues to be a problem, creating a negative cycle. When your body is biologically set to think negatively and your automatic thoughts are negative, therefore, positive suppressors of emotion are allowed to take control. And it becomes harder to feel positive emotions. But now that you know the problem, you will know how to solve it. About the equation we were talking about before, actions of positivity plus positive mentality equal reduction of negative thoughts. So how does this equation work? Are two parts. Part 1: create positive hormonal harmony with positive lifestyle trigger. You're probably wondering, what is a positive lifestyle trigger? This is a small lifestyle change that results in reduced stress hormones and better hormonal harmony. So reducing the chance of you having negative thoughts before you have them. Here are two things you can try. Spend 10-20 minutes doing stretching every day. This is different from traditional exercise, which can actually increase the stress hormones. Instead, Stretchers are designed in a way that allows the body to easily adapt to the stress of exercise, thus reducing the stress hormones in the body. Try to do 10 minutes of flexible workouts as soon as you get up every day. There is also something like negative food that you should avoid. These are the foods that trigger high levels of stress hormones in the body. This healthy lifestyle trigger is very effective as well as it is very simple. Simply cut these foods out of your diet and get the benefit. Start by cutting processed foods and meals with a high glycemic load. These methods help you adjust your hormonal harmony, biologically, leaving you less vulnerable to the negative thoughts that ruin your daily life.